Hi there, I'm Richard Fleming. I'm from XTA and MC2 here at the BPM Pro Show talking to Leisuretec. And I'd like to talk to you today about a new range of power amplifiers which we launched at the beginning of this year from MC2 and XTA. There's two types of power amplifiers in the Delta range. There's amplifiers with DSP and amplifiers without DSP. There are 3 DSP models in the range, a kilowatt a channel, 2 kilowatt a channel and 3 kilowatts a channel. Yeah? And then there's also a range of dumb slave amplifiers at 1, 2 and 3 kilowatts a channel, and then a large unit which is about 2 by 5 kilowatts a channel. Now all of this range of amplifiers can be supplied with Dante cards, so if you need Dante connectivity you can have it. But the core of the DSP models is a 4-in 8 output processor. And the key features of that 4-in 8 output processor are very similar to the XTA DP448, yeah, but with Dante. So at its core, you've got a 4-in 8 output processor, yeah. You've got gain, delay, and 8 bands of parametric EQ on each input. Any of those inputs can be routed from analog, AES or Dante inputs, and you can use a combination of all 3. Yeah? Now the first 4 DSP outputs feed the speaker outputs, which has got its own dedicated processing. Yeah? Now the second 4 feed line level XLR outputs on the rear. Now this is quite unusual for a DSP power amplifier. Now what this means you can do is that if you're using a combination of active and passive loudspeakers, all of a sudden you've got iPad control, yeah, for both types of enclosures. We also do the audio core control software, yeah, but the real neat thing about this system, when you combine the speaker out and the line level auxiliaries, is we've really designed this system in mind with lots of amplifier channels, yeah. So what you can do is you can group input channels and output channels across multiple amplifiers. So when you go into the control system here, you can have one group there which could be muting 10 output channels. Yeah. Now the other neat thing with combining Dante, DSP and slave amplifiers with Dante is that you can sometimes dispense from having a large open architecture DSP because all the inputs and outputs, yeah, are basically accessible from the network. So this has numerous applications in theatre, sporting events where you need maybe a remote break-in for a console, yeah, and wherever you need to get on and off the Dante network. Hopefully this has been interesting for you, and it's been a quick overview on the MC2 Delta range of products. If you need any more information, head over to Leisuretec or MC2 and we'll be able to help you out with more information.